And who send General Scudda? People. Who send producer to come tackle Auntie Dana up on the battlefield? Like and share, we could talk about it to people. We could talk about it, people. Because, I don't know, some people call Dana gully rat and them cannot show them face on social media. Them have to hide them face because they look like a monkey from the scene of a movie. This is no joke thing, people. I always send Scudda, General Scudda, what you want to call her, producer. Because this lady always I do live and I talk about Dana. If she not do a live and talk about Dana, something wrong with this lady. See me, this mongoose that come out her nest. We need to look for her baby them. People, she one of Dana big haters on social media. We need to look at highlight. You see me? Now this lady, I think this lady from one of the small island them in the Caribbean or somewhere. And me say to myself, say, how can you call Planka Boss gully rat? And we know how you look, lady. You look like a monkey. You know nothing about you. And you want to size up with Dana. Look for yourself first. You see me? You want to criticize everything at all the woman do. If the woman says something at all wrong out her mouth, you make it be a problem to you. Why you have to focus on Dana alone? Is there more content to do more than Dana? Why you have to focus on Dana alone? Why Dana alone is the center of attention? You see me? Why you hate Dana so much? What are you getting out of what? No, should I say, what do you want from Dana, lady? Why you know the woman alone, the woman live her life? You live your life in a way you're there. And you not show your face, you hide your face because you know you're ugly like a zombie and you want to take set upon the lady. If you not call Dana name for your breakfast, lunch and dinner, you don't feel good. You don't feel good in yourself because you feel say you must call Dana name every time. What you get out of that? What are you getting out of that? Sometimes I wonder to myself, say people, if them people are mad on social media. Enough is enough, man. What the woman do to you? The woman even know it. The woman not get a recognition. The woman not call your name. And you come to your platform on a daily basis. If it's not YouTube, it's Facebook talking about Dana. Just forget the views, the likes and share on the sell on the soul. You want them out with join the bandwagon. You see me, you join the crew. And not hate the woman because why you the over Lorraine page and Lorraine must kick you out. So you want to fight your own war with the lady. And the lady ain't looking at you. The lady don't know you from nowhere. But you name General Scudda. General Scudda, what can I name that? General Monkey you name, man. Monkey Boss. You call the lady gully rat. You take one to know one. I mean know you're ugly. That's why you can talk about the woman. So because ugly people don't always talk about people who look nice. Dana might not be the slimmest person in the world, but she's not the fattest somebody in the world and thing. Compared to only talk bad about the lady. Only try on the best to bring down the woman. You see me? Only try to talk the most bad things about the lady. Yes, sometimes Dana on her life and sometimes she do something she should not say out of ignorance and thing. And she do apologize. Who not see that? And just want the worst happen for the lady and only rejoice about it. How can a black woman want to say a black woman go down? What more you want from the lady? What do you want the lady to show and say? Una mind too dirty. Una have no love for your own black brother and black sister. That's all you want to do, talk bad about people. Why not watch a woman and not talk so bad about the lady? Why is that about Dana? Why? Dana is not the only person that talk on social media that Scudda can talk about. Scudda if you talk about something different, go talk about Laura. What about Laura where I take a set pan Planka Boss? Why you not talk about she? Why you not talk about somebody else? Why you not do that? Why all your topic is about 99? You want attention. You use 99 and make a page for YouTube. I know you still use 99 for get more followers and likes and share. No, sir. One monkey can't fool. You need to come out to your zoo. Because all you good for call the woman go your rat and you now live no kind of different life. You see me? You now live no kind of different life. More than Dana. Big old woman like you the on platform and talk bad about the woman and you don't know nothing about the woman. You just watch the woman and a dime for the woman something bad for you run with it. That's how you get your content, by saying bad things about people who you never know. That's all for showing on the wicked. That's for showing on the mind corrupt and dirty. On the mind just literally gone to the dog. Then not do nothing at all. And you just keep on every day, done this, done that. You see me? Done a big and fat, done a ugly. I mean, I said to myself, say, no man. I wanna hate somebody who no so no. Woman, the American, you stuck a Caribbean island and you can't, you stuck where you there and you full of your mouth. Leave Dana alone, man. Leave the woman alone, man, because Dana do, as I always say, Dana do more good than a little few, little simple, little talk, she make out her mouth wrong more time. She do more good. The only good thing what she do, look how much people she make get house. Who not talk about, you don't want to know where she get money from and who she has scam. That's all you want to know about. You don't want to know what the worst about people. And only not contribute nothing at all to nobody. You see me? Because you have to talk about the always a give and give and give and give and give. What have you given? What have you donated? Have you and donors ever been in the house in nobody yet? Want to get to people. Want to get to people more than chat bad about people. Leave the lady alone, man. Go find sitting and do. A big woman like you, we should go find sitting and do right about now on social media talk about planka boss. What you get from that? What you gain from that? What's your aim from that? The people, when you talk to me down below people, because me I say to myself, say, no, them people are mentally sick and physically unbalanced. When you sit down and talk about that, what you get from that? Why you want to go against the ladies? Dana knows that not everybody talk like her. She know that already a long time. So she not do not talk for everybody like her. So when you come so and decide, say, boy, you can eat Dana. You eat Dana for your own reason at all. You see me? You have your own vendetta against the lady. Your mind dirty, your heart not clean. Your heart not clean and you stop it. Because you're not trouble the lady for nothing or reason at all. And the lady not doing nothing at all. The lady not own nothing. The lady not come on here, come buy nothing at all from you. But you don't just decide, say, yo, you don't just eat the lady with your dirty self. You see me? You know the people that corrupt and bad minds upon social media. But you name General Scudda. No, sir. No, people. Tell me one thing about it, guys, and comment in the comment section there, people. Because you see them big women here, and them are the one that cause problem. And them in the phone that cause problem. And them are do the things them on social media. And them have a dirty heart and a dirty mind. And them are the one that want to see people go down. Dirty mind. This big old crusty back tough face woman look like a bowler. I talk about Dana. Leave the woman alone and stop watch the woman video and criticize the woman. See me? If Dana want to show off America, I feel her business that. I feel Dana business that. That should not be nothing at all. You shouldn't be about that at all. That's Dana business. That's not your business. You see me? But that's just someone stay on the mind too dirty and corrupt and bad mind. Uno want and good for nobody. See me? So people like Uno must get support. People like Uno, nobody must go on the channel and go subscribe to the channel and think they're too evil. They're too dirty and corrupt people. You see me? So guys, best upon yourself here guys. I come out of the car right about now. So, you know, stay tuned. I'm say sorry for the background noise people. A big truck and car pass by. You see me? I say people, so me there you go. You know, go up on me here now people. So just stay tuned here people. Like and share and rock and come in guys. Make them go and chat bad about Dana and try and bring down Dana. And so it I take them because all it I do I make them stupid day by day. You see me? Yeah. So I can watch and so I go on here people. Make them go and do what them I do. See me? So best upon yourself here guys. Never chat to them very, very shortly. Make them go. And them go and sit down and chat about Planka Boss and see where they can reach them. See me? God is good all the time, people. Just subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave in a thought. Write them below, people. Honest opinion. I'm going to chat to you very, very shortly.